back. Today I'm here with Beauty Forever hair again. I really feel like I overloved the last wig I tried from Beauty Forever. That's the blonde one that I installed on my mom, so I'm so excited for this one today. It's the same packaging as last time, has their brand listed and everything. Hair care and all those tips are on the back. So let's see what we're working with. So see the wig. So what else is in the box? So I have a wig cap and a headband. Really nice springtime vibe, very much giving spring. So yeah, that's everything that came in today's box. So this is the wig that I'm working with today. It's a beautiful body wave wig. This is actually a 13 by 5 lace part wig, and it's body wave. As I said before, it's a middle part, and it's mixed with brown, so it's like a combination of 1B and, like, I believe this is what, number 30 color. This is 150% in density, and yeah, it's 24 inches long. So this is how the inside looks. That's the construction, really nice and standard. Again though, I don't have any much space to pluck further in the front, even though there's like space where the comb is to the hairline. I would have preferred for it to be have a little bit more graduation. There are 3 combs in the cap and adjustable straps in the back, and yeah, that's how that looks. I'm gonna give this some. I know that the wigs are gonna mess up, so I'm gonna go back through it and stuff. I'm doing my shed check. It's processed, so you know how that is. Okay, I haven't gotten any strands, so definitely you know that a portion of it is processed. Definitely those parts feel a little coarser. So yeah, I'm not getting any tangling though. It's straight out of the package, so that's expected. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into installing this. This is what I'm talking about. I just wish the front would have been a little bit more, and then I can't really pluck it much, but I'm gonna try and see what I can do here. There's a little space, but it's not a lot to give me like a graduation. That's the only con. Like the only con I can find. I really wanted more. That for me, I feel like that's a big part of the wig appearance, you know. And it's so snug. It's nicely snugged, so that's cool.
Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Goodbye, fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say
so I'm done with curling the hair as I said I would do. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel it. I'm all done, so I'm just brushing out these one curls. Get that nice and fluffy, you know, big wavy look. And as you guys saw, I did give it some layers in the front. Oh, you guys see that fall? So guys, that's the finished look for today's wig. Despite the fact that I wanted way more graduation, like I wanted graduation in the hairline, I still finessed it, and I'm pretty sure there are some of you guys who will definitely appreciate no baby hairs and not doing anything to the hairline. I know it's just a case of preference and all that jazz, but if you're that girl who loves that minimalistic pullback look and you love, as I said before in a couple previous videos, if you love your center part, this T-part, lace part wig is your wig. It curls beautifully. It looks so nice and fluffy, and the hair, the color is not loud at all. You know, it's soft. Didn't add any product to this than for the top portion, which I always, you guys know, I always add my wax to lay it further. That's it. But yeah, it was easy to style. I didn't do that much to it. The quality feels good, you know, it feels standard, and that's that. Yeah. So if you're interested in this wig, you can go ahead and check out my description box for all the details. The direct link to where you can purchase it, all that good stuff will be in my description box. Yes, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned to my vlog channel. You guys know I do my daily/weekly vlogs over there. Stay tuned. Your girl is working. Alright, yeah. Thank you guys again for all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight.